It's recording.
Okay, you ready for this?
It's a little far, but it'll look closer when you're watching it.
Oh, yeah.
Way closer.
Yeah.
Ready?
Well, the good thing about it, we can zoom in too, I think, whenever we're watching it, can't we? Or you can move that if you want. Maybe move it up there a little bit. I just wanted to see you guys more than the TV, though.
Oh!
Once I get up against those guys, I will. Oh no! Oh, that's the one.
Yeah, I just like to have a little bit closer to you guys, but wherever you want.
KG, the guy we watch, he gets like 7 million likes off plane.
Yep. He's the one that shoots a lot of guns and stuff too, right?
He's the one that goes squirrel hunting,
Yep.
and he plays kind of called Wild.
Yeah.
Right whenever I pulled the trigger, my thing turned off.
Oh,
My game just crashed.
Uh-oh. Yeah, because I think one time I was watching a couple of his videos where he was shooting some big guns.
The game is great.
50 cal?
Yeah, I think it was a 50 cal or something.
Mounted on top of a side-by-side.
No, I didn't see that one. I think it was different.
He mounted 50 bit.
He mounted a 50B on top of side-by-side, and then he had his cameraman drive, and then he shot it, and he was like, "Oh crap! That knocked the living crap out of me." No, he said that knocked the breath out of me.
Yeah.
He said that almost gave me a heart attack.
Yeah. I bet it would.
I want to see the BMG. Yeah, give me 6.5 pretty more for my birthday.
I think I need one first.
No. And then I can have
Papa, do you remember what I told Gage what I want?
I do. When you told me what you were getting, what did you say? I don't know what you said
You
wanted.
said you'd buy me an AK?
I said, I told you what I wanted to get him.
Oh yes, you told me.
AK?
Yeah, it was an AK.
I want an AK.
Was it drum mag?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was an AK.
Are you sure?
I'd like to get me one also, but they're just so expensive.
Papa,
Oh,
do
I
you really
forgot.
know what I'm saying? What it was?
Was it in their kitchen?
Yeah, last night.
Yeah.
It was a full auto 22 L.
No, it's a humping gun. It humps the deers. It can walk and it humps the deers.
I'm about to be done.
Why is it hurt no more?
I'm always supposed to be done. I let off one shot.
Mia.
I pulled the trigger once my round is through. I am almost in. I am almost in. That is in 5 minutes. That whole video is about me just trying to go in a game.